Hello everybody, welcome to another edition of Math with Marcus. I was told I needed an introduction, so here it is. Woo-doo-woo, Math with Marcus, woo-doo-doo, Math with Marcus, woo-doo-doo, Math with Marcus. Something like that. Okay, so this is the problem that we're doing today. So this problem comes from chapter 5 from CPM, the 6th grade book, and it's which portion in each pair is greater, and explain how you know. So we're comparing portions and saying which is larger. How do we know it's larger? That's what's going on. So the first one here, let's get a pen. All right, this is 1/10. So 1/10, if we want to write it like that. And this is 1/100th, 1/100th. And that's one of the ways that I would explain which one I know is larger. Well, I know that 1 out of 10 is larger than having one piece out of 100, right? If my pizza is broken up into 10 slices, I'd rather have one slice out of 10 than having that same pizza cut into 100 slices and only getting one. You could also explain by saying that if you look in place value from the largest to the smallest, so the ones place is the largest, the ones place, they're both the same. So if you go to the next place over, you have 1/10, and here you have 0/10. So you can stop right there because you know that 1/10 is more than 0/10. Here you have 8/10, and here you have 91/100ths, so you could write 8/10 just as that is 8/10, and we can compare this to 91/100ths. And doing that same method, saying, well, you can look at the ones place is the same. We can move on to the tenths place, and you can see that 9/10 is larger than 8/10. If you want to, you can add a 0 and make this 80/100ths. Maybe we can make this 80/100ths and see that, yeah, for sure, 91/100ths is more than 80/100ths. This last one here, 12,000ths, and what is that? Well, technically this is 12,000 tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, millions. This is 12,000 millionths. And you might be saying, well, Mr. Marcus, those zeros aren't really doing anything on the side. You're absolutely right. This is a more simpler way to say that would be that this is really just 12 hundredths. 12 hundredths. So what is more? What's better, 12 hundredths or 12 thousandths? Well, 12 hundredths is that. 12 thousandths is that. And if you just take a look, well, if you had the denominators that are the same, well, you could just say this would be 120 thousandths, right? So I know that this is larger. You could also compare it just by saying 12 thousandths. What is that as a decimal? So that was the ones place, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. And if you've got 12, I'm trying to put 12 in the thousandths place. You can't, so it's going to spill on over and be 12 like that. So this is 12 thousandths. This is 12 hundredths, and 12 hundredths is larger. All right, thanks, guys. Hit the subscribe and the like bell or something like that. Thanks. Talk to you soon.